Just like the quiz, I'm not going to waste your time. Here's what's on there. If you're going to do anything, you want to take advantage of it, your call. If not, all right, probably same results as the quiz were. I'll get into where to study in a second. There's 16 questions, 44 points if you care about that. Some people do, so there it is. No formulas. There's only 2 of them. Here we go. Let's review them one more time. Distance, square root. What's inside the parenthesis? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Subtract your x's and do what with them? Square them. And then the same thing with the y's. Subtract them and square them. Distance formula will be on there tomorrow, along with the other formula. Midpoint. What do I do with my x's and y's? Add them. Add them. Doesn't matter. There you go. Both will be coming back tomorrow strong. 2 constructions on there tomorrow. So what I'm going to do right now, let's list off all the possible constructions it could be. If something's way out of the league, I'll tell you and don't worry about it so you don't waste your time remembering the constructions, but we've done a lot. I know we've done a lot. So here we go. Possible constructions tomorrow. Midpoint, sure. Find a midpoint. Equilateral triangle. We did that yesterday and on the homework. It's come up twice. Perpendicular bisector. Yep. That's the same one. If you want to connect A and C, those are basically the same, right? Because I use the perpendicular bisector to find the midpoint. So if you want to, hey, connect these and say these are, same constructions. Yep. All right. I got a couple more here. I'm still thinking big ones.
Bisector. Just normal bisector.
Angle. I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna go angle bisector. Angle bisector.
Right angle.
Okay. Well, let's do it. How about perpendicular line? All right. Through a point. That leads you to your right angle. So perpendicular line through a point. And I'm only going to put 2 more up here. And these 2 are 2 unique ones that I've asked you to do. What are you going to say?
I was going to say copying lines.
Don't worry about it. Too basic for this class. Too basic. Don't worry about it. Way too basic. And you're going to be doing it if I ask you this. Yep. I'm not going to ask that tomorrow. But you still might need a right angle, though. Okay? You did that on your homework? 45-degree angle. And what did we do yesterday in class? What other type of degree measure? 30-degree angle, yep. All right, 2 constructions on tomorrow's test are somewhere up here. If you feel like studying tonight and you forget the steps, what can you access pretty quick? YouTube channel, yep, with all the constructions on here. You can find all of these on there. Somebody asked in last period, so I want to bring it up just to be fair. What do we need to know as far as vocabulary? I'm not testing you on the definitions. I say the word complementary, what comes to your mind? 90, done. Supplementary, 180. Perpendicular, right angles. Right angles are formed. Linear pairs, adjacent and supplementary. Vertical angles. Could you draw them? Okay, and what do you know about them? They're congruent to each other. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not asking for definitions here. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. All right, so where can you study? This is what I do for every single unit we do this year. You will have questions out of the packet and questions out of the textbook to try. So look at page 29 right now. If you just go through the first couple pages here, you will see a total of 13 questions in the packet. Can you go to page 33 for me? The last question, number 13, the constructions. Everyone see the bottom of that page? There are textbook problems I'm suggesting if you want more practice. How are you going to know if you're doing all these problems right? Flip the page, past page 33. Everyone see the answer key. And if you go all the way to the end, you will see the answer key for the textbook questions. You do not need to go on Google Classroom. They're all in the packet right now. Packet answers and textbook answers are all in the packet. Am I going to check anything tomorrow? I'm not checking a darn thing. You can take advantage or not. It's up to you. You guys know how comfortable you feel and how much practice you need. All right? So I am not checking a darn thing. I'll figure out what you did when I correct your test, right? So those are all the review that I have to offer from you. I don't have any extra review. I think that's plenty. Do you have any questions? Because now it's going to be a choose your own adventure. Whether you want to go to the packet work, you want to grab a textbook and try those out, because you have all the answers. Any questions about the topics for tomorrow? You walk in, here's a test. I'll be after school today. Tomorrow I have 2nd, 5th, and 6th if you want to stop by. Last call. All right, you have half the class now to work wherever you want, and it's on this. It's on this. We're not doing any other work, socializing about the drama outside of school. Nobody cares, trust me, but you. So let's get working on, you can work with people in your group, that's fine. You can talk with them about the questions. No issues there, but that's it. All right, let's get rolling.
Sure.